Hi, my name's Penny Watson. I'm shooting this video because 8 months ago I was suffering from extreme fatigue as well as headaches, some tingling vibrations, joint aches, and debilitating gastrointestinal issues. After the Restore Your Belly and the Energy Recharge, my gastrointestinal symptoms are much better. I recommend Laura's programs because I think that she's very knowledgeable in the field of functional medicine. In addition, she's really fun and lively, and it's a pleasure to be in the classes. I saw Laura presenting at her mitochondrial summit, and I was very impressed by her knowledge, and she was the person that I needed to work with. I've learned a tremendous amount. The course has been extremely organized and well presented. There's been a lot of support. It's been very much worth the investment. My favorite part about being in the elite program is just listening to people's input and hearing Laura's feedback to them or questions that pertain to me as well. Knowing how to read my own lab tests really changed my thinking. Prior to that, it all felt very vague. There were words like dysbiosis and leaky gut, things that I had an awareness of, but I didn't understand what they meant. To walk through each of the tests and in each of the results and understand that I did have this problem, I did not have this problem, was very, very helpful. What is different since starting Laura's program is I feel like my gastrointestinal tract is in much better health. My ambition is improve. I'm very motivated to continue to get well. For my family, for my grandchildren, for myself, even though I'm retired, I'm thinking actually about doing a little bit of work. That's new since the program. My favorite Lauraism is that she's very comfortable talking about poop.